Here at Lloyd Land Rover Newcastle, we are delighted to present this exceptional 2023 plate plug-in hybrid Land Rover Defender 110, finished in Santorini Black. It comes enhanced by extended black exterior pack, 20-inch alloys and black roof rails, as well as coming with just 13,000 miles. It also comes with one owner, 28 miles electric-only range, full service history, and 12 months warranty and roadside assistance. At the rear, you'll find a large and versatile boot space, perfect for all your everyday needs. Inside, you'll find a well-crafted interior with a Meridian sound system and ebony Robustec seats that perfectly complement the Defender's adventurous character. Durable, premium materials create a cabin that feels both rugged and refined. The dashboard combines modern technology with the Defender's distinctive design, with everything positioned to be driver-focused. Above you, the panoramic sunroof fills the cabin with natural light and increases the sense of space. The heated steering wheel gives you easy access to controls such as voice control, volume, lane assist, cruise control, and heated steering buttons. One luxury feature of this Defender is the refrigerator cool box that keeps drinks and snacks cool on every journey. Comfort is guaranteed year-round thanks to heated and cooled front seats and climate control, giving you control of temperature. The 3D surround camera makes parking and manoeuvring easy, alongside the ClearSight rear view mirror. The sunroof can also be opened for fresh air and sunlight on those nicer days. This impressive plug-in hybrid Defender could be yours today. For more information or to get in touch, please follow the link in the description below.